Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to find the unit digit of 8 raised to the power. Let's see how we are going to solve this question. Well, let's start. To find the unit digit of 8 raised to the power 51, I want us to look for a certain pattern. So we are going to start by, what is 8 raised to the power 1? This is 8. Then we move to, so the unit digit will be 8. 8 raised to the power 2. This is 64. So the unit digit is 4. 8 raised to the power 3. That is 5, 1, 2. So the unit digit is 2. 8 raised to the power 4 is 40, 96. The unit digit is 6. So let's move to 8 raised to the power 5. 8 raised to the power 5 is given as 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. Now let's check something. The unit digit for this is 8. So it's 8 raised to the power 1. The unit digit, then we continue with 4 cycles. So when you look at the pattern, after every 4 powers of 8, the cycle repeats itself. So when 8 raised to the power 4 is 40, 96. The unit digit is 6. So when we go for 8 raised to the power 5, the unit digit is 8. So you can guess that 8 raised to the power 6, you are going to have a unit digit of 4. You can try it. So let's conclude. We can write as 4 times 12 plus 3. Now we are saying that for every 4 powers of 8, the cycle repeats. That's again. So when we divide 51 by 4, we're going to get 12. And then the remainder 3. Now this 3 here, the third power of 8, which is this one. 8 raised to the power 51 will have the same unit digit as 8 raised to the power 3. So therefore, the unit digit of 8 raised to the power 51 is going to be. Thank you very much for watching this video.